What do you think? Do you want to watch this video really badly? If so, then you have just experienced what is called the boomerang effect. This effect, which is part of the reactance theory, states that people will do exactly the opposite of what they are being persuaded to do. This is because people don't like to have their freedom reduced or limited. If you forbid a person to do something, they would feel that their options are restricted. To relieve themselves of this feeling, they will want to do exactly that forbidden action. So let's say we have a crossroads and we ask someone to choose left or right. If we would restrict their choice by telling them they cannot go right, they will want to go right more badly than if we hadn't restricted their choice. We wanted to see if we could influence people's behavior by using this theory. In order to ensure that our experiment shows the boomerang effect, we have analyzed when this effect is more likely to occur, so we could use these conditions in our design. These situations are the following. When the degree of restriction is high, a forceful message will boost the effect more than suggestions or discrete messages. When the participant has a low cognitive ability, children are generally more likely to show the boomerang effect. When the participant has a high need for control, this includes teenagers, type A people and narcissists, and when the participant spends little time thinking about their choice. The boomerang effect does not occur when a participant doesn't notice their behavior is being restricted, when the effort to perform the restricted behavior is estimated to be greater than the gains, when the consequence of the behavior that is being restricted is negative or dangerous, like being electrified by touching a live wire, or when a participant notices that an experiment is taking place. So with these insights, we agreed to use the following forceful restriction. Do not look inside the box. We decided to conduct the experiment in a mall because this is a place where a lot of different people pass by and they are usually somewhat distracted by shopping. First, we checked if people would be drawn to look into a box that was just standing somewhere, but as you can see, they didn't even look once. Then we added a sign to the box. Here you can see what happened. You may notice that it sometimes can be difficult to say if someone really looked inside the box. We decided to count every person who turned their head towards the inside of the box. So 10 people looked inside the box when they were told not to do so. If you compare this to our control experiment, where no one looked, you can clearly see we were indeed able to persuade people by using the boomerang theory. So next time someone tells you not to do something, it might be wise to think about if you really want to use that option or if you just don't like being told what not to do.